Hello learners, this video is being presented for advanced learners, and in this I shall be discussing some important points of one famous play titled as All is Well That Ends Well. This is written by William Shakespeare. So please learn carefully. First point is All is Well That Ends Well is a romance comedy by William Shakespeare. Next point, this play is one of three problem plays by Shakespeare. Next, this play is based on a tale from Boccaccio's The Decameron. This play is based on a tale from Boccaccio's The Decameron. Lavache is a clown in the play. Next, this play was published in the first folio in 1623. Next, this play is a 5-act comedy. Next, Bertram is the Count of Roussillon. Bertram is the Count of Roussillon. Next, Helena is an orphan girl whose father was a famous physician. Next, this play is set in France and Italy. Again repeating, this play is set in France and Italy. Next, Helena is a strong, determined, faithful, intelligent and ambitious. So Helena is the protagonist of the play. Again repeating, she is a strong, determined, faithful, intelligent and ambitious. Next point, Helena loves Bertram deeply and wishes to marry him. Next, Bertram puts conditions to marry him. There were two main conditions: to wear his ring and bear his child. Bertram puts conditions to marry him. First one was to wear his ring and to bear his child. Next, Helena adopts Pilgrim's disguise. Helena adopts Pilgrim's disguise. Next point, Helena wants to visit to the shrine of Saint Jacques. Helena wants to visit to the shrine of Saint Jacques. Next, with Diana, Bertram falls in love in Florence. With Diana, Bertram falls in love in Florence. One more point, honor and virginity are the themes of the play. Again repeating, honor and virginity are the themes of the play. So some important points of the play are presented for your use, and definitely these will help you in the forthcoming exams like TGT and PGT. So please learn and update yourself, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel English Solutions by Spacing.